Hello traders, good morning. Today 23rd of November. What a blessing day guys. Amazing trade. Most of the analysis have given us amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how we manage amazing profit on Kiwi dollar. All right, so first of all look at the price action, and we've been short since from here, bank amazing profit, and we were expecting market might gonna continue. So yesterday we also had the short trade at the New York session, bank some profit. As soon as the market reverse, there's a possibility price might going to reverse, because this is the area which is possibility of reversal option. So we also had this long trade here. We just managed amazing profit long on Kiwi dollar. Let me share with you guys how we managed very decent profit yesterday and this morning. And if you look at here, we this is the New York session, but if you look at the previous leaf, we can see it. So as mentioned here, in the 4 hour we've been short here, banked some profit. We also had afterwards pullback short, then we also mentioned another pullback short, banked some profit. This is the analysis we did at the New York session yesterday. As you can see here, the market could not maintain above this level. Beautiful based on the analysis, and the pullback as soon as the market hit to the support level. That's what explained my traders time to enjoy amazing profit. And let's wait for the market reaction. As you can see, based on the 4 hour, and but as I said to you, we are looking at price action in 4 hour. As explained in detail to my trader, this is the area which you can see here. I also mentioned these 2 points of interest. If the market is going to break short, then keep enjoying it. Otherwise, if the market is going to break, which market nicely broken, even after the market broken and retest, give us the confirmation. That was a beautiful long trade counter. As you have seen, we already bank amazing short, now long as soon as the price hit to the previous high. And that's what explained my traders time to enjoy amazing profit on Kiwi dollar. So most welcome guys, join our fast growing trader community if you want to see all that analysis in real time with the full description. So most welcome. Have a nice day guys.